morning. We've got rainbow this morning. How cute. Yeah, it should be alright. So I've marinated some chicken here. Flowers yesterday. Hey guys, look at my face. I'm just honestly struggling this morning. I'm really struggling because these bloody ledges, they don't want to leave me alone. I don't know what I've done to them, but the good thing is, like, I've done my fitness. My son has a show in school today, which I've done. Actually, I'm looking for my tripod stand. I found it. So which we've done that. So back home, it's just like I have a lot of things to do, and I just need to tidy my house as well, because since it's my daughter's birthday today, family members are coming, so we are having like a quick dinner together. So on Saturday, we having like our sort of close friends that lives here. I'm not doing like a big party, but it's so funny with children, yeah. Are specific things that she wants for this party. She has already listed them. Oh, I would like this. I would like this theme party, which is like tropical and flamingo sort of theme party. So with that, I'll take you guys back. I'll show you the things that I have been buying from Amazon. So all these children these days, honestly, there's really good. Like all these things, they like prompts that I've bought for her party. Honestly. So, you know, they like the things I'm going to use for decorating and everything. So, and she would like a certain food as well, like a Mexican kind of kind of food. That I was just like, all right. She know exactly what she know exactly what she wants. So because I'm having families over, I thought I'm just going to make a quick cake, because today is our actual birthday. It would be nice to sing happy birthday and for her to cut a cake today. And I still have to make another, oh my tongue. Sorry, I just had loads of tea this morning and coffee. So, and I still have to make another cake for Saturday. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. All these children, my goodness. okay, this one, no, it's too much. Good morning. We've got rainbow this morning. How cute. What a beautiful morning. Oh, I love it when rainbows are out, like when there's rainbow. So today I'm going food shopping. If I could just hold you guys somewhere here like this, yeah. So, I'll put my seatbelt, then we can talk. So basically, yeah, we're going food shopping. We're going to this supermarket, and I'll be taking you guys along. It is what it is. I am absolutely bunked up. You could tell from the way I am talking. My face is literally heavy. So we move anyway. I'll see you guys. Right, food shopping done. Time to go home. I have 2 cakes to bake, so I'm going to go home and start baking. I am honestly, I don't know how I'm even prodding along. I am so tired. It's just like ridiculous. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. So I bought this wine today just to try and see if it's any good, to be honest with you. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and bake some cake because my daughter have cross country today. She's running cross country today. I am absolutely tired. I came back from supermarket. Can you see my eyes? I took my wig off. I was absolutely drained. I am suffering. Like, this bloody cold is just taking everything away from me, like literally. I'll do any little thing. I have to go, and my body was drained. I was like completely tired, exhausted. So I just had a little rest. Now I'm just going to, that little energy that I have, I'm going to try and bake now. All right, when I finish baking, I'm not going to try to bake what I'm doing, but when I finish, I'll show you guys what I have baked.
Very choosy, my son. Nothing can bother her. Yeah. Let's have the picnic thing as an idea.
So this is the cake. So I've kind of I've icing it. She actually wanted it like this, but I'm not too sure about this gold thing that I've put everywhere. But she wanted this sort of the sugar, the pink sugar, and there you could see there's some gold, edible gold sheet. So I don't know. I just feel like it's a bit much, but maybe by the time I put all the decor, it should be all right. So I've marinated some chicken here because we have some friends coming over for my daughter's party. So by the time I finish decor, I think it should be fine, and I will be showing you guys the preparation that I will be making today. So at the moment, the kitchen is a mess. So I need to tidy everywhere. I'll just give you a glimpse. It's a mess. Before I can actually continue, I just need to tidy up, and I'm expecting people very soon. And I bought these beautiful flowers yesterday, so I just need to sort of do something with them. Anyway, my face is horrible this morning. Like, it's not horrible, my face is not. I'm so sleepy, and I'm still suffering from my allergy. So I don't even want to show my face, not until I kind of prep my face a little bit, because I just feel like I am not human at the moment. Anyway, let me get on with it, and I will vlog when I can. Hey guys, so basically I just finished setting up my daughter's birthday preparation. You could hear the noise downstairs, so some of our friends are here. So this party was meant to be a little party. Like, it's not really a party, like he gets together with her friends, but somehow the requirement just keep ticking up, like the theme of the party and everything. The effort is like of little get together. It's like at the moment equivalent to a big party, right? So I'm just going to show you a glimpse of the things that I've done, or at least they're happy. And yeah, I'm happy. Honestly, I love to do things like this, and I've been doing it for years for my daughter now, and she really enjoys it. And I think what really made me really accepted all this requirement, I was looking at her old birthday, like our previous birthday. She was just like, oh, I love it, mommy, you did put a lot of effort for my birthday. Then I was just like, okay, the standard is not going to sleep now. Yeah, here we are. Anyway, I'm going to show you some of the clip and some of the things. Okay, so see you.